Hey guys, tonight I'm putting up my Christmas tree, and as you can see here, um, the top half of my tree is lighted all the way down to the bottom, and these consist of um, one line that has about 60 lights, okay, and half of the line is lighted, and the other half is not, which means 30 is lighted and the other 30 is not lighted. So I'm gonna show you guys how to test the bulb on the multimeter. Okay, since there's only 30 bulb, we don't know which one, so I'm gonna take it all out, and we're just gonna test it real quick to see if they light up with the multimeter, and then we'll put it back on. Okay, it's that easy since it's only 30. Okay, otherwise we're gonna have to use some other kind of meters to measure the current or the power. So for this one, we're just gonna test the light bulb. Okay, so join me and we'll take a look. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start taking the light bulbs out for the lines that is not lighting. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking these light bulbs out. Okay, because they're not lighted. So I'm gonna take them out. Okay, and then we will test them out in a little bit. Okay. Since there's only 30, I'm gonna do it real quick. Check them real quick and see. Okay, so I'm gonna use my multimeter to see which one is the bad one. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna turn it on. This is your negative. This is your positive. Okay, I got this from Harbor Freight. Okay, and so positive, negative, and then you're gonna turn this into like the right here, this mode right here, which is like the continuous mode. Okay, to check to see if the current is continuous, and then if the bulb is good, then it should light up. Okay, so I already tested the other 20. Okay, so you see right here that let me see, let me get a good one. Okay, so you see this these two right here. The long one is positive and the short one is negative. Okay, so what you need to do is you take the negative one and put on the short one, and then the positive to the long one. Okay, you see that it's lighted up. That means the bulb is good. Okay, let me see. So we put the good ones over here. Okay, so all this time I tested all the other 20. It's good. So we're gonna do these last uh 7. Okay, so I'm gonna, okay, so negative short, and then positive is the long one. Okay, so it's lighted up. Let's check this one. Okay, the short one, which is negative, the long one positive. See, it's lighted up right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there, and then short one is negative, long one. Oh, okay, here we go. This is the one. See, it's not lighted up. That means this bulb is dead. Okay, so we're gonna put this one over here, and then let's try these last 3 here, which is okay, negative, positive. Okay, see, this one light up. See, okay, so I'm gonna put it right here, and then negative, positive. Okay, light it up too. Okay. And then negative, positive. Okay, see, it lighted up. Okay, so so you guys can see it right here because it's really hard to hold it. So I'm gonna go like that. See that? Okay, so that means all these are good, and we found the bad one. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bad one out, and we're gonna replace it with the with the good one. Okay, so it's gonna be what negative, positive. Okay, positive. So I'm gonna put the negative here, positive. See that? Light it up. See that? Okay, so now that we found the bad one, we're gonna put all these back in and see if it lights up. Okay. All right. Let me put it over there. Okay, so let me I'm almost finished plugging these back in. So let me plug these back in. Like I said, there's only 30 of them, so it's really easy to take them out and measure the bulb, test the bulb, and then put it back in. It's really easy. So take like a second for each one, like that. All right, there you go, guys. Um, it's it's back on. You know, the whole tree's lighted, and what I did was the easy part because we know that half of the light was on, and then the other 30 wasn't on. So all I did was I didn't have to check the fuse or anything like that. I knew that one of the bulb was bad, so it's just a matter of finding out which one. And since it's really easy to take them off and put them back on, I just took the last 30 that didn't light up, and then I just used the multimeter to test, see which one's the bad one, and we just put everything back in and replace the bad one, and all the lights came back on. So thank you for coming by and subscribe. Thank you.